Hello everyone, I am at Undir Bandoda and you can see a waterfall and you can see this passage which is man-made, and you can see the beautiful waterfall and the water flowing through this canal. This water is later on used for agriculture and this is totally man-made. So let us enter into this tunnel. You can see the beauty here. Be here someday. Enjoy this. Don't any garbage. It's quite difficult. Enjoy this beauty someday. It's quite deep here. And I will show you a rock cut cave like this side. You can see the cave structure. And here you can see the beauty of the nature, waterfall, everything is there. Be here someday. Don't create any garbage. Maintain the secrecy and dignity of this place. And thanks for watching.